per hour. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cook County in north-central Texas, northwestern Denton County in north-central Texas, southeastern Montague County in north-central Texas, northeastern Wise County in north-central Texas, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:31 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 6 miles south of Forestburg, moving east at 20 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Munster around 4:55 p.m., Lindsay around 5:20 p.m., Carmen Gainesville around 5:30 p.m., Sanger around 5:35 p.m., Robert Spot Johnson Branch around 5:45 p.m. This will impact Interstate 35 between mile markers 477 and 484. For your protection, move to a sturdy shelter until the storm has passed. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside, away from windows until the storm has passed.